It's a 2008 Kia Sedona. It's part getaway vehicle, part lounge on the go. This Sedona is everything your family needs it to be. Features include HomeLink garage door transmitter, dual zone climate control, AM/FM stereo, auto dimming rear view mirror, fold into floor seat, leather steering wheel, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver declares the Sedona has everything a minivan must. A solid drivetrain, enough electronic gadgetry to narcotize the kiddies on trips, side windows that roll down, lots of cup holders, and standard airbags in front and all along the sides. The drivetrain is refined and powerful, the chassis is well sorted, and there's plenty of room for plenty of stuff. Step into a Kia and be surprised. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Ford. We're conveniently located between 41st Street and 55th Street Northwest on Highway 52 in Rochester, Minnesota.